Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by plugging the TP-Link extender into a wall outlet near your router so signals are strong. The power LED should become steady. Once done, open the Tether app or join the extender's temporary SSID from your device and log in. You need your router SSID and password at hand. This first step creates a management link between you and the extender, so make sure you choose the correct band, 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, before proceeding. You'll now configure the device. Open 192, 168, 0, 254 in a browser or continue in the Tether app and follow Quick Setup. When prompted, select your router's SSID and input its password. Choose whether to clone the SSID or create a new one so you understand which devices connect where. Make sure to set the device to range extender mode, and if you see interference, pick a clearer channel manually. This middle stage aligns the extender with your router, so it repeats the "you're almost done." Unplug and move the extender to a midpoint where the signal LED shows good connectivity to the router. Connect phones or laptops to the extended SSID and run speed and coverage checks to confirm improvement. Once satisfied, update extender firmware, change the admin password, and save settings so the device stays secure. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: perform a factory reset and redo setup, checking LEDs, and trying a different outlet to rule out interference or weak router signal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.